I'm a 56-year-old rural gun-owning white guy. If Kamala Harris thinks I'll vote for her, she's right. I was looking at my pay stub yesterday, looking at how much I'm paying in taxes. I don't need a tax cut. I make around $30 an hour, and I pay a little more than $200 a month, every 2 weeks in taxes, state and federal. Those tax dollars, well, they pay for the road that I drive on every day when I go to work. They pay for the schools in my community that are educating our kids. They help keep our rural hospital open. All those men and women in the military, well, the beans on their plate and the bullet in their gun, tax dollars. I don't think it's too much to ask for me to pay my fair share. It used to be that in America, people were proud of being a taxpayer. I still am. But somehow, in the 1980s, Reagan came around and it suddenly became a bad thing to pay taxes. I've never understood that. What I need is a health insurance cut. See, I was looking at my pay stub, not only at the taxes, but how much I'm paying for my medical, dental, and vision benefits. I pay around $1,600 a month in health insurance benefits. And I've got a $1,500 deductible. So, well, for me, and a $1,500 for my wife. When I add it all up, I pay around $20,000 a year for health insurance and healthcare costs before I see any benefits for all that money I'm paying for health insurance. Imagine if I had that $20,000 or even half of that $20,000. If I had $10,000, I'd paint my house. I'd go to the local hardware store and buy the lumber and stuff so I could finally redo my porch. I might even get a new car instead of the old beater that I drive. I don't know. But I know that paying $20,000 a year for health insurance and still having a $2,000 bill at the hospital for my x-rays and stress tests and stuff, and paying $30 every time I go see the doctor or the dentist or the vision, that doesn't make sense to me. Donald Trump, when he was president before, he told us he was going to show us his health plan. And 2 weeks. We're going to release it in 2 weeks. No, in 4 weeks. You can Google it. You can see how many times he told us that his health care plan was just a couple of weeks away. But he never came forward. He did do everything in his power to kill the Affordable Care Act, though. Kamala Harris, well, she's going to protect the Affordable Care Act, and she has plans to bring our costs down. That's what I need. I don't need a tax cut. I need an insurance cut. I'm going to vote for Kamala Harris. Good day.